Scotty.
Hey.
We added a little ejectocito extendo because it's easier to stand under here when you have enough room to stand under here.
Yeah. Kind of different. Scary, but different.
That's okay. That thing leaked like a sieve, but Kyle already knows.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got that covered. You were telling me, because you're getting ready to pull a water pump, you were telling me about this fuel filter situation.
See, what happened was I found something.
Ooh, I'm too fat to sit on that.
If you look.
Oh my God. That's
effing nasty.
That's vercocked, because it's all...
So I don't know how old that filter is.
Well, it's plastic too, so that's completely unsafe. So we have metal ones that we're gonna put one on, because that is not
That's dangerous.
safe. I never run these.
Yeah, I don't either.
That's dangerous.
No, I like the older ones that you could unscrew them and put a new
glass?
filter in. Yeah, they're glass, not
That's a
plastic.
little safer, but I still don't like that.
Not everybody likes them. I do. I think they're amazing.
I put the metal ones in,
Yeah.
and that's
But
not a problem.
that's got to be changed.
Yep, that's going bye-bye. So we'll fix that real
Because
quick.
I don't want him being left stranded on the side of the road
Because
and having to roll up his pant leg and show a little bit of skin to get a ride home one night. I mean,
I think Kyle.
not that I've ever done that before.
I think Kyle could pull that off.
I think you could too.
Hey, sailor.
Come here often or just occasionally?
It's like your Wi-Fi network I set up for you.
I'll figure it. You know, your is too close to
What?
the tools.
That
It's scary.
That little guy? The little guy won't hurt nothing. All right, so Scotty's getting ready to get this here water pump off. And then we're going to unveil the new one.
Where is the new one?
Burnsy's getting it. It was back by the Lancia. Because that guy showed up while I was locking the door.
Who, the Lancia?
No, the
water pump
guy.
Oh.
And I said, hey, your guy tried to deliver this at 9:51 on Saturday night. He's like, oh, the guy told me he was here at 3 and it was closed. I was like, I was here till 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the AC on, working on my car. I was here. Oh, Burnsy's got the pump.
Ooh.
Burnsy, you got a pump?
Hoity.
Yeah, it's a Stewart Stage 2. I didn't fuck around.
Mouth.
Oh.
You didn't dick around?
Well, I can kind of let that.
I didn't pee-pee about. We're terrible today.
Don't quit your day jobs, either one of you.
Don't go to the what bar?
No, that bar's closing.
Yeah, that bar. I've heard some nasty things. Anyway, that's a little out of my range of fun. Anyway, Stewart Stage 2. You know why? Because we don't screw around when it comes to water pumps.
No, but I'm screwing Kyle's hole.
Are you threading it?
I'm putting my
Are you driving it in Kyle's hole?
Yep.
Gently.
I was like sitting here going, who's Kyle? Oh, wait, never mind.
You know Kyle. But yeah, where's the gaskets?
That's a good question.
Go get the gaskets. All right, so Scotty's gonna carry on this. The shenanigans will continue, and with that, we'll be back. Don't forget, we gotta drain the block too. And before
You
we
want to
put
drain what?
we gotta drain the block. And before we put the new pump on, I want to take the hose and wash out the inside of the block.
Dude, can you just stop? You're getting greedy now. You want all these things done, and it's just me. I'm in the hot sun. You don't care about me anymore.
You know who didn't care about you when you worked there? These people.
No, you're correct.
Yeah.
You're correct. But I kind of caused that loss of the job a little bit myself.
Ooh, gaskets. That's okay.
Well, my manager
I'm sure
was
you'll cause the loss of your job
my
here too.
my manager was a bit of a so-and-so,
Burnsy's already working on it.
and I threatened to beat his ass in the middle of the sales floor.
Hey, you know what? I already put my 8 hours in there. I gotta go, guys. We'll see you later.
Burnsy's been here literally an hour and a half, maybe. Good kitty.